And Cross, by the way, I hope you and Angel are friends, so I hope if you like
Okay,
Angel.
I want to understand. Is this what happened yesterday night? What do you want to tell me?
That was what I wanted to tell you.
I hope no feelings.
No
You said no
feelings.
hard feelings.
No, I said, me?
Yeah, you said Cross,
Hey,
hope no
Cross.
hard feelings.
Oh, no.
What did you say?
No, that wasn't what I said.
Those are the words you said.
I
That's somebody
said-
like.
No, I said Cross. I hope you know there's no feelings.
Exactly, no hard feelings. Exactly.
No, there's no feeling, no hard feelings. It means like, I'm like, taking advantage of maybe a situation or something. Do you understand? Like, Angel and I were, do you like her? That's because, or you guys?
I think I just like her because I've liked her since the beginning. But it's just, there's
Exactly.
nothing much that can go on because she's a cruise mistress and plus you're in the house. So there's nothing really that can happen. You can't do any kind of thing like anything 100%. You just to carry the cruise to be going till eventually.
Exactly.
Why, do you like her?
I know, we're just friends, man.
It's okay, like I'm not bothered or anything, I swear.
I saw maybe your mood change or something.
When?
Never mind, Chuck. I just saw maybe
Yousef,
you felt something.
let me tell you something.
I swear.
I no fit fight for woman.
Yeah.